everyone, my name is Aradhya Ghosh from class 3A. Geometry comes from the Greek words geo meaning earth and metron meaning measurement. It is that branch of mathematics which deals with measurements and shapes. The terms of geometry that we are learning today are points, lines, line segments, plane and solid figures. Thank you.
I read in class 3B. Now I am explaining about cube and cuboid. This is a cube. It is a solid shape. It has 6 faces of the same shape and size. There are 12 equal edges of a cube. It has 8 vertices. This is the shape of cube. We can see this in our real life situation. This is a cuboid. It is a solid shape. It has 6 faces and the opposite faces are of the same shape and size. There are 12 edges of a cuboid, but the opposite edges are of the same size. It has 8 vertices. This is an example of a cuboid. We can see this in our real life situation. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Vijita Bachchan. I read in class 3, section C. Today I am going to tell you about 2 solid shapes. So let's start with cylinder. This is a cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces, 2 plane and 1 curve. And it has 2 round edges. It has no vertex. So let's talk about the next shape, which is sphere. A sphere has 1 curved surface. It has no edges and no vertexes. As you can see that this is a can. This is a cylinder. This has 1 curved face and 2 plane faces, and it has 2 round edges. It has no vertex. This is a globe. This is sphere. It has 1 curved face and no edges and no vertexes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anmolika Das and I am from class 4 section A. Today I am going to teach you all about straight and curved lines. First, let us know about a line. A line is an infinite number of points joined together. It may extend indefinitely in any direction. To understand what straight and curved lines are, we can use the help of a thread. Whenever we stretch a thread tightly from the opposite sides, we get a straight line. Now, if we let loose the thread, we will get a curved line. Straight and curved lines are used to draw figures or alphabets. So, that's all from my side about straight and curved lines. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Tushar Chandra. I am from class 4 section C, and today we are going to learn about ray and line segment. First we are going to learn about ray. A line which extends endlessly in only one direction and has only one endpoint is called a ray. Its endpoint is called the initial point. The symbol of a ray is an arrow. In the diagram, BA is a ray and is here, and B is the initial point. So now we are going to learn about line segment. A straight path between 2 points is called a line segment. It is the shortest path between 2 points. OB, in the diagram, OB is a line segment. And a line segment is written as OB, the line on top. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
Hey everyone, today I will tell you what is an angle. What is an angle? First, take a point O and draw two rays. The rays are called the arm. The point O is called the vertex. The space between inside the arm is called interior and the outside is called the exterior. Now the space between two arms is called an angle. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Rupal Patran from class 5B, Junior School Ganganagar. Today I am going to introduce the two terms in geometry, lines and angles. A line is a straight path that goes forever in both the directions. It doesn't have a fixed length. In this figure, PQ or QP is a line which is denoted as this. An angle is formed by two rays with a common initial point. This point is called vertex of the angle. In this figure, this point is said to be O. OA and OB are the arms of angle AOB. The angle is named after the letter given to the vertex. Every angle has a measure. The unit of angle measured in a standard angle a degree. In this figure, x degree is the measure of angle AOB. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Rajnita Ghosh from class 5. Today I am making this video on our lesson lines and angle. So let's start our lesson. Lines and angle. Number 1. A point is a dot made with a sharp pencil. Means place a white sheet and put a pencil over there and see a dot is made. The dot is only called the point. The point has no length or width. Means point doesn't have the length or breadth because it doesn't tell us that where this point is going upward or downwards. It just shows position. So when I am ending a statement, we put a point, right? So it shows a position that where the sentence has stopped. When infinite number of points are joined together, a line is formed. The symbol of line is this. Means many number of points are joined together. That is only called the line. The symbol of the line is this, as I told you, and the symbol of the point, as I told this one in the above, is this. The symbol of the point is this. Next, number 2. The line does not have any fixed length and fixed end point. It extends indefinitely in any direction. Means the line doesn't have any fixed length or any fixed end point because it can go here and there, horizontally, vertically, anywhere we want to move. And suppose I am giving this line as A and B. Line A can move anywhere as we want. And anywhere we can want to move line A. Same process in number B also, point B also. We can move horizontally, vertically, here and there, upwards and downwards, wherever we want to move. Next, number 2. A line segment has a fixed end point. Means, I name this line as C and D. Okay, and we put a two dots in both sides. This two dots has a fixed end point that where from this line is starting and where from this line is ending.
Hello everybody, I am Sampuran. Today we will discuss about intersecting lines, perpendicular lines and parallel lines. When two lines meet each other at a point, they are called intersecting lines. The point at which they meet is called the point of intersection. Here, line AB and CD meet each other at point O. That is why point O is the point of intersection and line AB and CD are intersecting lines. Perpendicular lines are intersecting lines which cross each other at an angle of 90 degrees. Here, line AB and CD meet each other at an angle of 90 degrees. That is why they are called perpendicular lines. On the other hand, parallel lines are coplanar straight lines which do not meet each other and maintain the same gap. One important point is that both the lines has to be on the same plane to be parallel. Here, line AB and CD do not meet each other and maintain the same gap. That is why they are called parallel lines. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ryan Acharya from class 6 section A. Today we are going to be discussing about types of triangles. So firstly we are going to be discussing about the types of triangles on the basis of the sides. So firstly we have the scalene triangle. In these types of triangles, all the three sides are unequal. In the triangle ABC, we can see that the measure of AB is 4 cm, the measure of BC is 5 cm and the measure of AC is 3 cm. As none of the measurement of the sides are equal, this is a scalene triangle. Now we are coming to the isosceles triangles. In these types of triangles, two of the sides of the triangle are equal. In the triangle PQR, we can see that the measure of PQ is 3 cm, the measure of QR is 4 cm and the measure of PR is 3 cm. As two of the sides measures are equal, this is an isosceles triangle. Now we are coming to the equilateral triangle. In these types of triangles, all the three sides are equal. In the triangle XYZ, we can see that the measure of XY is 4 cm, the measure of YZ is 4 cm and the measure of XZ is also 4 cm. As the measure of all the three sides are equal, this is an equilateral triangle. Now we are coming to the types of triangles on the basis of angles. So firstly, we have the acute angle triangle. In these types of triangles, all the three angles are acute angles. That is, all the three angles are less than 90 degrees. Then we have the right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, any one angle is right angled and the other two angles are acute angled. This means that any one angle is exactly 90 degrees and the other two angles are less than 90 degrees. Now we are coming to the obtuse angle triangle. In these types of triangles, any one angle is obtuse angled and the other two angles are acute angled. That is, any one angle is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees and the rest two angles are less than 90 degrees. So these are all the types of triangles. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shreya Raha of class 6C. Today I am going to show you how we can classify triangles on the basis of sides and angles. First, we will see how we can classify triangles on the basis of sides. Here, in our first example, we can see that triangle ABC. AB is of length 5 cm, BC is of length 4 cm and CA is of length 5 cm. Here we can see that side AB and CA are of same length. So triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. In our next example, we can see triangle PQR. Side PQ is of length 3 cm, side QR is of length 4 cm and side RP is of length 3.1 centimeter. Here we can see that PQ is not equal to QR is not equal to RP. That means all the sides are of different length. So triangle PQR is a scalene triangle. Now we will classify the triangles according to their angles. In the first example, we have triangle A, B and C. Angle A is equal to 59 degree, angle B is equal to 65 degree and angle C is equal to 56 degree. Here we can see that all the three angles are acute, which means less than 90 degree. So triangle ABC is an acute angled triangle. In the second example, we have triangle PQR. Here angle P is equal to 20 degree, angle Q is equal to 35 degree and angle R is equal to 120 degree. Here also we can see that angle R is equal to 120 degree, which means it is an obtuse angle. So triangle PQR is an obtuse angled triangle. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shavnik Nandi from class 6B. Today I am going to explain angles. There are 7 types of angles. First one is acute angle. It measures between 0 degree to 90 degree and it is how it looks like. 2. Right angle. It measures exactly 90 degree and it is how it looks like. 3. Obtuse angle. Between 90 degree to 180 degree and it is how it looks like. 4. Straight angle. Exactly 180 degree and it is a straight line and it is how it looks like. 5. Reflex angle. Between 180 degree to 360 degree and it is how it looks like. 6. Complete angle. Exactly 360 degree and it is how it looks like. 7. Zero angle. Exactly 0 degree and it is how it looks like. Thank you.
We would like to thank God Almighty for His blessings upon us. We would like to thank our Managing Trustee Mrs. S.E. Broughton and our Honorable Chairman Mr. J.G. Broughton. We would like to thank our Principal Sir Mr. Bobby Baxter and our Vice Principal Sir Mr. Sayantan Mukherjee for their constant support and motivation. We would like to thank our Teacher in Charge Mr. L. Jennings and our Junior Coordinator Ma'am Mrs. Shell and Day and all the other teachers. We would like to thank our mathematics teacher, Mrs. Sunita Nupan, for her time and hard work towards the creation of this magazine. And last but not least, thank you to students and parents for the constant support.